For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you about Royal Challengers Bangalore skipper Virat Kohli and the rules which he has laid out for all its franchisees players. Well, Virat Kohli has issued a stern warning to all the RCB players who will be participating in the Indian Premier League 2020 to be played in the UAE. Now, what is it that Virat Kohli has told to his players? Because he is the captain of the side, he is the man everyone is looking forward to in the IPL. But in a virtual meeting between the RCB players and the staff, well, Virat Kohli has laid out the norms for all the players who are participating in the IPL, and it's regarding the biosecure bubble. Yes, as the BCCI has invested a lot of money as far as the bio bubble is concerned, because creating a bio bubble or a biosecurity environment is not easy, but the BCCI has gone ahead and has created a biosecure bubble, and Virat Kohli doesn't want anyone to breach the biosecure bubble even once. Well, he has clearly stated that in case if there is an accidental breach, then what the player does? Well, he goes into a 7-day quarantine, get yourself tested and then be back. But what happens if you do it deliberately? According to Kohli, well, if a player does it deliberately, then it's not just the player who loses, but it's the franchisee, it's the players, it's the management, it's the staff and the whole collective effort, and the team loses out on a whole. And also, what Virat Kohli has stated is that as a captain, he needs to ensure that all the players are on the same page. That means the message is loud and clear to each and every player that you need to go out there, give your best shot, but before that, follow all the rules, because following the rules is very important as far as the playing in biosecure environment. We all knew what happened with the Jofra Archer and the embarrassment it brought to the England Cricket Board. Well, Virat Kohli doesn't want even a single RCB player to be doing that. All he wants the players to be disciplined, to train as hard as they can and to give their best on the field. But most importantly, follow all the biosecure bubble rules. There were pictures which emerged on the internet of all the players leaving for the UAE. Well, they were wearing masks, they were wearing PPE kits, they were wearing whatever safety equipment is possible, because COVID-19 doesn't see whether it's a Virat Kohli or a MS Dhoni. All the players have to be safe, and not just the players, not just the ground staff, but it's also about the amount of investment which has been carried out by the BCCI. Remember, the IPL gets underway from September 19 and it will be played till November 10. So over a period of 7 weeks, the players will have to come in and follow all the rules, because they cannot shake hands and everything, and all the rules are being laid out. But most importantly, it's the skipper of the Indian team, and this message is not just for the RCB unit, but it's also for all the other teams who are playing in the IPL to follow the rules, stay safe, because COVID-19 will not differentiate between any of the players. Well, what do you think about the video? Do you think that Virat Kohli is absolutely spot on? He has put the foot on the pedal and stated it very clearly that you got to follow the rules. Do send in your comments and feedback, and I'll be looking forward to the same. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News9 Digital across all social media platforms.